Have you ever felt like locking in guaranteed retirement income meant locking yourself out of flexibility? That's exactly what happened to Sharon, a retired school principal from Sarasota, Florida. She had $580,000 sitting in her IRA and wanted to create predictable income for the future. But every advisor she met said the same thing. Buy this annuity. Just set it and forget it. But Sharon didn't want to forget about her money. She wanted to protect it without giving up control. And here's the wild part. Just 4 months later, she found a strategy that gave her guaranteed income and let her maintain full access to her money. And it all started with the free guide I'm going to tell you about at the end of this video. But before we dive into that, let's talk about what's happening right now in our economy. Just this month, inflation ticked up again to 3.5%, defying expectations. The Fed is still holding off on rate cuts, and the market's reacting with uncertainty. Meanwhile, U.S. government debt just hit $34.7 trillion, a number so big it's almost abstract. But here's what's not abstract: the impact it has on your retirement. The more money the government prints, the less your dollars can buy. And in times like these, annuities start to sound appealing. Guaranteed income, safety, simplicity. But here's what no one tells you. Not all annuities are created equal. A lot of retirees get sold high commission products that tie up their money for a decade or more. No flexibility, no liquidity. And if you need to access your money, penalties. That's where Sharon almost got stuck. But then she learned about alternative annuity strategies that are designed specifically for people like her. People who want peace of mind without giving up control. Let me break down how she did it. First, she didn't hand over her entire IRA. She rolled over just enough into a Gold IRA annuity hybrid. One that allowed her to grow her funds tax-deferred, protect against market losses, and even access her money if life threw her a curveball. And the best part? This annuity wasn't just for income. It was backed by physical gold, a hedge against inflation, debt, and political chaos. She didn't get pitched some free silver coin gimmick or pressured into a decision. Instead, she got a free educational guide and a no-obligation call with a specialist who explained everything clearly. No pushy sales talk, no surprises. Now, Sharon sleeps better at night knowing that no matter what happens to the stock market or who wins the next election, her retirement income is solid, her money is working for her, and her legacy is protected. She said the call felt more like talking to a financially savvy friend than a salesman. So if you've got $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, and you want to explore how to use annuities to protect your future without giving up control, then don't wait. Just like Sharon, it all starts by clicking the link below to get your free Gold IRA and annuity guide and schedule a no-pressure one-on-one educational call with a retirement specialist. There's no obligation, just real answers, real clarity, and maybe the peace of mind you've been searching for, because you've worked too hard to build this nest egg. Now it's time to protect it, for yourself and for the people you love. Ready to take that first step? Download your free guide now. We'll be here when you're ready.